Welcome back to my channel. I will explain in this video 16 VMF for vertical pump bearing housing dismelting and assembly. Start the dismelting process. First unscrew and remove the cover plate carefully. Next, tighten the bearing housing backside jacking bolts equally tight. Always tight the opposite side bolts evenly. Avoid damage and ensure smooth removal. Now remove the bearing housing assembly from the inside the housing. After removing the housing, take out the spacer plate located at the bottom inside the housing. After removing the spacer plate, during inspection, the bottom bearing cage was found damaged. Remove the damaged bearing from the bearing housing shaft carefully. Both the top and bottom bearing removed. After dismantling process completed, start the assembly process. Now we will start bearing housing assembly process. First take the bearing housing shaft. Install the top bearing. The bearing number is 63152Z. After installing the top bearing, next install the bottom bearing. The bottom bearing number is 7315 BEP. After insert the bottom bearing, insert the spacer plate at the bottom inside the housing first. After inserting the spacer plate, now carefully insert the complete bearing housing assembly back into the housing. Apply the grease lubrication properly to the bearing. Install the top cover plate. Tight the top cover plate bolts evenly while tightening the rotate the shaft by hand to ensure smooth movement and proper alignment. Finally, apply load and check the vertical pump free rotation bearing housing. If the shaft rotates smoothly without abnormal noise or vibration, the assembly is completed successfully. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and like and share.